Primavera P6 has its secrets, and working within the secrets is very important for professional engineers. For example, why we have here negative float and why we have three critical paths. If you notice, this critical path is the longest. So these two should not be critical, but they are. There are many reasons. And to understand them, it's better to set up your view to a different view. Let's do it together, step by step. Let's go and you watch other videos, and let me open my preferred view to get these things right. Now, what you want to do is getting these columns in. Please watch other videos about changing views and also doing this setup in the time scale. Okay. Now, what we have here is different calendars. That's number one. Number two, we have different setup for starting and finishing for the calendars, because you have 24 hours like this one here and this one here and this one here, and this create a different starting and finishing for them. So also why we have a negative float, which is points. That's very interesting, right? Now I make this in short videos, so you need to follow the other short videos to watch the answers. Most welcome.